You can have the highest fitness of your life on race day, but if your form isn't exactly positive 15, you will likely hit the wall at kilometer 35. Most amateurs obsess over CTL, chronic training load. But CTL is just fitness. Performance is fitness minus fatigue. If you ignore the fatigue variable, your high fitness is useless. Here is the 16-week roadmap. We start at a base CTL of 45 and ramp aggressively to 85 in the specific phase. This 40-point build is the maximum safe increase for most non-elites. But here is the trap where 90% of runners fail. They let their easy runs drift into the moderate zone. To sustain an 85 CTL, your intensity distribution must be surgically precise. This is the golden ratio for marathon volume. Note that long runs cap at 30%. If your Saturday run is 50% of your weekly volume, your injury risk skyrockets. To execute those percentages, use this rigid weekly structure. Tuesday is for VO2 max, Thursday for threshold, and Saturday for volume. Monday must be a complete zero-impact day. Finally, the payoff. In weeks 15 and 16, we crashed the CTL from 85 down to 65. It feels scary to reduce volume by 40%, but this mathematical decay is the only way to spike your TSB to plus 15 on race morning. Trust the math, shed the fatigue, and crush your PR.